in the quiet of my darkest night, I heard a whisper from a holy light, and something called me deeper, a love I used to know, saying, child, you're not forgotten. It's time